Okay, let's talk seriously here about one of the top ALP DSP installation companies I've ever seen, called Automods in Sarasota, and I will post the link to their website in the description. But I have two TXs and two RXs out front, plus a DSP horn hidden in the bumper. Take a look, you probably can't determine where they are. Well, that's because they're behind here, 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 and here. Let's see if I can kind of get up under there and look. Absolutely stealth. No one's gonna know what those are. Same thing in the back. People that know what they're looking for will know where they are. They're going to be up under here. 2 TX, 2 RX. This thing is absolutely bulletproof, 100% against the best DET Dragon Eye has to offer. Let's talk about where they have put the computer. It's in this cubby right here in the back. This comes out. Look at how beautiful that is. I have total access to anything in case I need to fix it. Now, let's talk about the controls. I mount my phone here that I'm using to record this. They even wired a little power plug here so I could power my iPhone. This thing is rock solid. Check this out. Totally custom. Look at this. There's the control pad for the ALPs and the DSP. And check this out. 2 LED lights. There's where the LEDs are. Look at how beautiful that looks. Absolutely gorgeous. The hi-fi speakers underneath the dash. They even wired up my Blackview dash cam. Okay? I just can't say enough about this company. Please give them a call if you're interested in having the best type of installation done. They do lots of high-end cars. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks.